Going on, guys? Good morning. Let's hop into these levels. So, right here on ES, we're looking to reclaim this 75.40 with targets of 7,600. Right, same levels as we've been speaking about. Nothing really changed. If we reject 75.40, we could look for shorts back down to 75 or 74.54. Under 74.54, we got 74.11. So we could start breaking down more. But as of now, this is our pivot, 75.40. Above bias long, below bias short. You guys are trading options. I mean, you're dead center of this range. As long as you hold 744, you can look to take longs to 749. Over 749, you got back to 754. And if 744 breaks down, I like shorts down to 736. You guys are trading QQQ. As long as you hold this 697, I like the upside to 722. If 697 fails, I like shorts down to 667. We'll use 697 as a pivot this week. And for NQ, it's kind of the same thing, right? If we reclaim this 29,107, I like longs for a retest of this 30,000 level. And if we start breaking down and rejecting this 29,107, we got targets down at 28,640 down to 27,963. You guys have any questions about that or any other stocks? See what else we got. Today we have U.S. leading index at 10 a.m. and that's really it for today as far as news as well. Anybody trade overnight for that Asian session? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I got a whiteboard as well. I don't know if you can see it over there on the wall. Same thing. I do the same thing. I'll throw the P&L in the command center, and then I have the like my rules or whatever over on that whiteboard. You have your whiteboard where you can see it. There you go. Oh gosh. Let's see if the text doing. Microsoft's still rejecting that 396. Meta's still in this big range between 681 and 623. There you go. You know, in the Discord, I believe it is the rule or the cheat sheet section. Yeah, it's in the cheat sheet section. If you go to like the third one, I did something like an itinerary. Not an itinerary, but like a checklist. It looks like it wants to push. We're holding this value area high. See what happens at market open. Yeah, looks like she wants to freaking go. Hourly looks like it's setting up to holding that 75.20-ish hourly low. I would love to see a retest of this value area high at open and then try longs. This would be ideal. Squeezing it. There's that 75.40 retest, right? 75.40. We break this and hold. We're looking for that 76 full TP. First TP would be around 75.70. Yep, 75.70, then 7,600. Most likely, if we break this value area high, we're coming back down to this 7,500. Here's that market open right here. If you get a retest of that value area high, no, it's just pushing, right? And there's that 75.40 that we wanted. See if we get a rejection here. I like the upside. It's definitely setting up for a push. I would love to get somewhere around here. This 30 or the value area high would be ideally the best. No. It's every quarter they change. I want the long. I just want a better entry. Come on. Gonna just have to frickin' go for it. Don't be like shit. I'm trying it here. Want it a little lower. I'll add in. It's just holding right off that 40. We got in on the retest. I'm looking to take this to like 70. You guys in longs? Just looks so strong. Yeah, you got a nice entry. I wanted like 39. I really wanted the value area low. It's not, or high. It's just not coming back. Just had to go with it. Broke that 40. We retested. We got in on the wick. This retest right here, right? Should get continuation. The hourly looks like she wants to break out. NQ reclaimed the 29,107, so it looks like we might just squeeze. Yeah, if we close over like 46, 47, we're gonna run to 70. You guys should be eating at least 10 points plus already. This is one of the trades you size up on, in my opinion. It just looks very good. I should have sized up myself. I really want to see this hourly close over the 46 though. Over that, it's gone. If we can close over 46. Oh, we do have news coming out, right? Should have sold on that pop. It still looks good. Really want like somewhere down here if it gives it to us for news. I don't think it's gonna. I just want a better entry. Took it for like break even, so ain't worth it. It'll go push now. Still looks good to the upside. It's about to push right here. NQ looks freaking beautiful. Let's give us one last retest. Come on. Even like this. Like I would take a retest like this 35, 36 would be beautiful. So tech's doing. Apple's selling off. Tesla's selling off. Lost at 384 demand. Amazon's pushing up. Meta's sideways. Nvidia's pushing. Microsoft sideways. Oh, they pushed it now, huh? There's the freaking 50. It looks so good to the. I should just add it on that retest. I don't know why I got the hell out. I have a tendency of just getting out instead of just adding when it holds. I mean, our first trade was pretty good. Just took it for break even. It was like 10 points. What's up, Big Vin? Got news in about 15 minutes. I'm loving the long setup. At this point, we just looking for an entry. I don't think I'm getting one. Just gonna squeeze. Just what it is. NQ's going crazy. Let's give us like a little flash crash for news. I don't think news is even that heavy to move the market today. Maybe we do get one. You see all this delta? See if we get another 40 retest. Under 40, we can get that 32-ish. 33 would be ideal. Either 40 is going to be the retest, or we're going to fade underneath and probably get down to 30. That's what we're going to be watching now. Remember, we got news in about 12 minutes. That first entry we had, Jada, was so nice. We got in right on the retest of that wick right here. Just caught the pop, rode it all the way up and all the way down like an idiot. Aria, yeah. Rode it from 40 to 50, whatever it was, 52, 53. Rode it back down to 43 or something. Where it's at now. It's a nice way to build a buffer. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm looking for the 40. I'd really love that value area high down here at this 30. Would be ideal. Under this, it's smoked. I'm looking to take shorts if we break down. Under 30. You got the WAP at 24. So anywhere in that zone, 24 to 30 would be ideally if we hold a buy zone, in my opinion. See if we hold the 40. I want to just blindly jump in right here. I'd wait. Look at the hourly wick. Look how ugly they make it. It looked so amazing like 15 minutes ago. Now it just looks like it's getting a pretty nasty rejection. Looks like more downside. See if it holds. NQ looks like she's trying to retrace a bit. I wouldn't be surprised if NQ correlates today. Could have took that 200. I was up like 250. Didn't take any of it. That would have been a nice buffer for the day. I don't know. NQ looks like she's trying to break down. NQ just lost 107. That 29 107. ES looks like she's going to VWAP, in my opinion, or at least this value area high. Selling pressure is there right now. Between 25 and 30 is like our next little shelf. If that fails, it's a rejection. I'm probably gonna go back down to 7,500. That's what we're waiting for at this point. Yep, look, 30, 29. It looks, the selling pressure's there. That hourly looks disgusting. And make sure you're watching NQ, because NQ, when you said that, lost to 107. You always want to kind of watch both. If you lose a big demand zone on NQ, most of the time, you want to, ES is going to follow, right? That's why I don't trade when they don't correlate. Right now, it looks pretty identical, which is nice. So this could be the entry down here. Like it's a 25 to 30. We hit 28. That selling pressure was aggressive. Then we got news in about 6-7 minutes. Yeah, at this point, I'll just let it do its thing. Yeah, look at the delta of my footprint chart. Just clean. Yeah, so we're basically at VWAP right here on ES. NQ's still got another like 40, 50 points down. Anybody try the 75-40 short? The pivot we had? All right, you could have played the break of the 75-40 down to VWAP. Quick scout. Come on, just flush already. They smoked that hourly. Jesus. Under this POC, this was what you're waiting for, right? This fails, shorts down to 7,500. Put your stop at like 75.30. Entry should be like 75.27. First like 4 or 5 points at most. NQ or ES broke VWAP. Apple's still pulling back. Tech hit our, or Amazon hit our 250 supply zone, rejected. Tesla's just on a full blown downtrend. Meta broke down. Microsoft's retracing. If anybody took that 75.40 short, you guys are freaking loving life right now, right? And we said you could take the POC break, the 75.30. You could target 75.05. There's a good amount of selling pressure right now. We got news in about 2 minutes. Old TP, if it ends up playing out, would be 74.73. TP1 would be 7,500 to 75.05. Would be your first target. Target 2 is 74.73. There's really just nothing below. The Christmas tree, right? And right up, right back down. Anybody take the POC short? This could be it right here. This is do or die right here at this level. This gives out, it's done. I mean, it's already been done, but you could get more clarity if this gives out. NQ's still sitting on VWAP. Looks like NQ's about to lose VWAP right here. A 23, which was that hold for ES, starting to break down. At this point, we could see 7,500, 7,505. I'm gonna try it right here. I like how it's holding. Looking to target like 30. You guys in longs? Did we catch the fucking bottom or what? Let's see if we get it. I want that follow through. We got to break this. Got some volume right here. I want to blow through this level. You could target POC. If we were clean POC, we're going back up to 75.40, guys. This can turn into another 20-pointer. Come on. Yep. We sniped that bottom. Green immediately, guys. Here's that POC. This would be ideally a good spot to lock it in. I'm going to do. Just building up a buffer. 175. Look for a retest and get back in. That was a nice scout. See if we can get a retest right here. Put 20 to basically POC. I still like the hourly if it could hold down here. Try it again. Build at 23, guys. Be a retest, though. I mean, it looks pretty decent. And I'm only taking the hourly again because of that hourly pivot right here, right? As long as we hold this 1819, this inside body candle, you guys know how I love those. Hold this previous hourly, we can come back up to this inside body candle. What happened? This is the pivot right here. If it gives out, it's shot. Yeah, it's probably shot unless they buy it up right here. Got to stay over like 20, 21. Either this is sniper entry long or this is the start of continuation to more downside, which it looks like it could start. Keep back that profit on that last one. It's just failing. That sucks. Back to where we started after that trade. It's how it goes every time. I mean, I still don't like. I like how NQ's holding. I don't like how ES is lagging. No, ES is below VWAP. NQ's bouncing off it. It looks like it's flagging to the downside. Make me get back in. They're sick. Yeah, it just looks they're holding back in at the same pivot. Back at 20. You're gonna trap me again, aren't you? Got me on the retest. Nah, it's probably going down, guys. This big ass bubble right here. You guys see this? Yeah, so do I. It's just if it breaks, we're going to 05. That's what. As of right now, it looks there's so much selling pressure. I'm just gonna hold to 05 and just look to add in. Look at this right here. There's not much volume. It should just fall fairly quick right to this if it does give out. Yeah, NQ's about to give out. VWAP right here too. 13 minus 1311. Big rejection. So 7,500 is where I'm gonna add. If that gives out, it's done. I'm gonna average in right there, full size. Just let it do its thing right here. There's nothing below. That's the scary part. That's 75.21, 75.20 rejected. So it's showcasing we're going down. Here comes our next leg. Got right here, and then I obviously this would be a full reset all the way back down here at 90. So if this gives out, it's done. Oh God. Just make your way down to 7,500 already. There you go. Come on. Make your way down. No? This guy's trying to add a little more right there. Ugh. Thank you. Good old Monday. I'm trying to target like VWAP, to be honest with you guys. I'm not looking for a banger. Looking for like 24, 25. I'll put 5 at 24 if it goes. Yeah, nah, shorts are the play. 100% they're the play. I'm just going to be adding in until we get to 7,500, like I said. About to lose this value area low right here. VIX is blasting. Just give me the 75 hundo. If we give out this 10, we're going back down to 90. This is the next shelf. NQ's trying to hold VWAP, which is pretty impressive. Microsoft pushed up, Apple selling off. Tesla's at that 373 demand zone. She rejected. Get to 7,500 already. Another massive bubble, minus 11, 11. Come on, just get to 75. Uh, yeah. I'm just waiting for it to hit the value area low, basically to get in. Full size, just waiting. As of right now, nothing looks bullish. Added a little more right there at 10. I'm looking to take this to the POC, like 25. I'll put 24 right here would be ideal. 24, 25. She held. I just had too much size on that first start. Let's see if we get the follow through here. I would like to see. We can get back over 21. Look freaking beautiful. Right now, we got to watch 18, 19. Did anybody wait and try to be patient and add in with me? Got to take out 18. You could just project and make a lower high here, but we will see. NQ's freaking pushing. Oh, nice, man. You got a nice entry. I'm 16. We might have got it. We got to crack 18. Over 18, that leads us to 21, which isn't a big move. But over 21, this thing could get back to 40. That's the sick part. We might just project here and make a lower high, though. That's the horrible thing about this. We need to follow through. And I don't like how we can't break it. We keep testing and failing 18 right now, so just be cautious. I have a limit set for 24. Yeah, 24, 25. We clear 21. I'm going to be very confident in this trade. No, we can't break it, man. If these buyers can take it out. We got some blue delta printing right here. Let's see. I want to see 17s, 18s start printing on the tape. See how we can't break that 18? I don't like that. We need NQ just to push. One aggressive push. That would be nice. Take this 21 out. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. So we were trying to add in 7,500. We got somewhat close. It gave us, what, 75, 10, 07, where we added in. The hardest part's when you're red and you just have to eat it. You got to trust your levels as well. NQ needs one more basically push, and we should all get filled at 24, 25. Ideally, if you want, there's nothing wrong with taking some right here just to be safe. Over 21, this thing's... we could hit 40 again. That's the sick part. Yeah. Just going to do exit all. I'm just going to trail it basically at this point. If we snipe that bottom, guys, that is pretty sweet. I'm just taking it. I'm just building my buffer back. I was up 400. It sucks. Just going to wait. We rejected that 19. You saw this delta printing. It's not rejecting, but it's not following through. Just be cautious. I'm going to try to add back in if we can get another push down with way less size this time. Because that was the VWAP retest right there. Come on. You guys should get it if you're still in. I'm just looking for a nice entry. Or a retest, basically, not a nice entry. Got to stay over 21 for that door to open to give us 40, though. Over 21, 40 is on the table. Under 18, then 7,500 is on the table. Looks like it's rejecting. That fuckery. I had 24 set, right? Yeah, it would have filled, and I hit 23. They're sick. They would have clapped me for a buck. Put your guys' stops at BE or, somewhat approachable right here just to be safe. NQ's about to retest VWAP. See if it holds or if it breaks down right here. If it breaks down, you're pushing back down to 7,500. I hate it where it's trapped right now between these levels. It sucks. There's like no clear direction of where we're going. I do like how we're holding, but then you look at the 15 and the hourly, and I'm like, it's not beautiful. It can go either way right here. NQ's looking pretty decent. That's why I kind of like the longs right here. It's holding VWAP. It's trying. But if NQ gives out, just know ES is going to drop another 15 points. So over 21 looks amazing. Shit. Sorry, guys. Tier tech. He's trying to hold, man. I just can't justify the 15-minute. Looks like it's bear flagging. Anybody in anything still, or is everyone just sitting on their hands now? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna give it to 11 and then I'm out. If it doesn't pick a direction, I'm over it. I'm not giving anything back. Over 21, I like the long. Under 18, shorts are on the table. Right now, it's just pinned between it. Over 21, it like invalidates the bear flag. That's why I like it. So we should push up back to 40, which is a nice risk to reward. It like goes and tests 21, then you're like, oh, it's starting to look good, and then it just pushes back to 16, 17 immediately. NQ's been holding Guap the whole time, which I like, but there's no follow through. It pushes up, rejects. Same thing as ES. Looks like it wants to. I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, come on! I clicked it. Oh my god! Dude. I clicked it at 20, and for some reason it didn't register. I like it over this 21. Probably my last trade of the day. There's the 20 that I clicked. That sucks. And that rejects the POC. They caught me. Caught me, guys. Yeah, it's gonna. I'm not fucking around. I'm over it. I'm done for the day, guys. Gonna keep trapping. Let's get back freaking $200. That 15 started looking real good. It hammered and then rejects. It'll go pop now. But yeah, I'm done. I'm not playing. I'm not trading this. There's no point. Unless it clears 21, there's no point, right? But I'll see you guys tomorrow.